Down to the 40s, in fact, mid-40s for Monticello, 49 for Poughkeepsie. Newark State at 60 overnight. We've got some mid-50s out on Long Island. So if you're out the door early for the dog walk or you're headed out to do some errands, a beautiful sunrise awaiting us and clear skies along the eastern seaboard. We'll talk about some of the weather pattern changes that are coming up in just a few minutes. But we've got this nice fall weekend. We've got a few clouds coming in for tomorrow as well. Bright and breezy to end the weekend. We're going to get some gusty winds in here. I'll have details on all that coming up. The weather temperatures are going to be in the mid-70s today with lots of sunshine. Good morning, Kalia. Send in by Twitter. What a cutie pie. Super Cat Saturday lineup. Get your paws up. Charlie, send in by Jay. We've got this cutie pie. Sydney on the lookout for storms, but we are rain-free over the next couple of days. And finally, it is Bubba also with the paws up this morning. We have a quick warm-up with a little bit of sunshine will send us into the 70s by the noon hour. This hour-by-hour forecast kind of puts us in that low to mid-70 range by early afternoon. So high pressure and control keeping the storms away. Offshore, we have a stationary front. You can see the outline of it with some showers offshore. Really, this low pressure system kind of spins along the front, and as that does so, it'll bring some clouds back into the forecast. So not completely blue skies all day, but not any moisture with that. Instead, it's just the cloud coverage that will look to spread a little bit further to the west. Well, offshore, we've got Teresa. There's a subtropical system, so not going to produce much of anything and really not have an impact on our weather other than some physics. It's sort of parked right there out in the Atlantic, and back here we have a front pressing to the west. And with that low pressure system or the subtropical offshore, we really are trapped with beautiful weather all weekend long. So lucky us, right? We also have Sam, which is another storm that'll become a major Category 4 hurricane today. As it does so just north of the Leeward Islands, it basically is out in the open waters of the ocean, not creating any major impact with the weather. So we enjoy the low to mid 70s watching the Futurecast. Get a little bit of that north wind picking up late tonight, then a northwest flow of air coming in with gusts up to 25 miles an hour tomorrow. That'll make the 70s on Sunday feel like the 60s, so a little bit low 70s with that cooler air tomorrow. The AccuWeather 7-day forecast, what a stretch. Low chances for rain Tuesday, but they are there. And then by Friday, that could be our next significant chance for rain. Temperatures are also be in the 60s that day. Back to you, Tony. In weather, we are tracking some really beautiful conditions here. If you're headed to the park to walk the dog or just enjoy a beautiful day in your own neighborhood, expect temperatures in the mid-70s. Tomorrow, the breeze picks up. It'll be a little windy at times. Low 70s feeling like the 60s. And then Monday to start the work week, we're going for a high of 74. Very seasonal first full weekend of fall. More details on